Hey everyone, I'm so grateful and excited today to share with you my newest bag pattern. I've been working on this for the last few months and I'm really excited to finally share it with you. So this is the Janet Mae Purse, and it is lovingly named after my late grandmother, Janet Mae, and she loved bags. She was the person who would buy one bag in every color because she loved it so much. This is a crossbody bag. You can wear it across this way. It comes with an adjustable strap. You can adjust it so it will fit across your body or be just a single side strap. It has a front zipper pocket here. Very big pocket, which is great. And then on the back has a slip pocket, so if you have things need easy access to, you can reach right in there. One thing I really love about this is it has a zipper top, so you can see that there is a zipper panel on top. The zipper comes out like this, so then it lays flat inside when you open it up. And inside there are 4 pockets, 2 pockets on this side and 2 pockets on this side, which is great to carry lots of things. One thing I really wanted it to hold was my Kindle, so a Kindle fits really nicely in there. I love the pockets for the organization factor, and I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on this pattern. As always, we have lots of supplies to make this bag. In our shop, we have finishing kits available, so you can just add exactly what you need to your cart. In this size of hardware, now we have 7 color options of hardware. We've just recently added this tulip pink hardware, which is just so darling. And we also carry the soft and stable, so the bag's made with soft and stable, which is that 1/4 inch thick soft foam interfacing. You can see this particular pattern. This is the Poly Pro strapping. We covered it with fabric, which I always love to add another print to your project. But we also carry decorative webbings as well that you can use. I'll show you this one. We use the bold stripe webbing for this one, which is so fun. It saves a little time if you're in a time crunch. The decorative webbing is a great option. Then it also uses just a little bit of interfacing and zippers. And as always, it's fun to add tags to your projects or zipper charms. So I hope you will check out my newest pattern, the Janet Mae Purse.